people if you interview me and nobody. Me a star. So the story where me want Dan and our people them know. You people are irrelevant now, Ross. Why would I come over there and sit with you guys? You guys are not the superstar. Me for interview the whole of you. And me for come there, come interview you. So no can get me up on the platform for come interview you. Come let me interview you because you guys are no one. I am the superstar on TikTok. I am the biggest one over there. You guys are nobody. I am international. Why would you think gonna feed by me and call my name? To be relevant, and I know that. So me just want to know that I could never be so atrocious to come sit with you guys that is illiterate. You guys are not on my level. I have sit so long on the media with you people that are known. I have over 5 TV interview under my belt, over more than 30 odd newspaper article, more than 20 songs out there on the internet, mixed up with Grace Almentan Spice. What the fuck you are telling me about? As the number one Obia man, the number one spiritual man, voodoo man, whatever you call me, I am important. I am above you all. But I take a time to find it out. Now I found out that